Have you ever thought of what will happen if you're on a hiking trip without a pair of trekking poles? If you know, then you know. But if you don't, let us tell you that you'll burn about 45% or more calories, imbalance, and pressurize your body parts, making them hurt significantly. That's why experienced avid hikers and mountain climbers never compromise with a good pair of trekking poles. We've been using these Ayamaya trekking poles on our last few hiking trips. And what about our experience with them? Well, sit back, relax, and enjoy our hands-on review of the Ayamaya trekking poles. The pair of trekking poles come in a simple cardboard box. As you can see, the trekking poles are inside a pouch-like holder bag inside the box. This black bag seems pretty strong. And here comes the foldable trekking poles with a low-profile basket and a snow basket attached. Let's keep them aside and check what else came with them. And here are 3 pairs of rubber tips for different kinds of terrain, and that's pretty much what's in the bag. So, as we're done with our unboxing, let's check our main product. The poles got 3 parts, thanks to its retractable trifold design. Velcro straps keep the foldable parts together when they are not in use. The poles have a pretty solid feel in hand. They are pretty amazing in terms of build quality, and each of the poles weighs around 10 ounces. It's easier to carry them anytime in your backpack. They are compact enough to fit inside a backpack or luggage. Each is about 15 inches long when folded. These anti-shock poles are made from aircraft-grade 7075 aluminum, lighter and stronger than 6061 aluminum, but more affordable than carbon fiber, keeping it in the middle of the road. We found assembling the lower part with the middle position very easy. The upper part needs to be pulled out and slid right onto the middle part. Now, hold this middle ring right here and pull it gently to snap the spring button out. You can adjust the height of the pole by flipping this little clip right here, just like this, and you're good to go. These trekking poles have 2 different variants for people of different heights. We were curious if there was anything other than just length. That's why we bought both of the pairs but found no difference other than just height. The shorter variant is about 40 inches and can be expanded around 47 inches, while the taller one is about 45 inches and expandable to approximately 53 inches. So it doesn't matter if the user is short or tall, man or woman, adult or teenager, these Ayamaya trekking poles are designed to keep everyone in mind. When it comes to its grip and comfort, we can see the poles got a cork grip that is molded to the shape of your hand. In addition to that, this extended EVA foam sleeve will provide you with comfort during switchbacks and abrupt changes in terrain and can absorb sweat, keeping your hands dry during any weather. Furthermore, they come with these breathable wrist straps, which will provide you with maximum comfort and make sure you don't drop the poles accidentally. These trekking poles feature a tungsten carbide tip to support you through any terrain. In addition to that, the baskets and the thermoplastic rubber tips that come with the poles will fully support you through snowy or muddy trails. Overall, those were all about the Ayamaya trekking poles. As you can see, we're delighted with its durable build quality, stability, and indeed it's a bang for your buck as it costs less than $40. If you're looking forward to buying a pair for your next hiking trip, then you can give this Ayamaya trekking poles a try. So, that was our hands-on review of the Ayamaya trekking poles. Are you excited to get this? Let us know in the comment section. And as always, like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.